Hello, today I'm going to share a sweet story with you titled If I Had a Little Dream, written by Nina Layden, illustrated by Melissa Castrillon. If I had a little land, I would name it There.
There would be my home, be it stormy, be it fair.
If I had a little house, I would name it Love.
Love would make me happy and protect me like a glove.
If I had a little garden, I would name it Whole.
Whole would be filled with roots and seeds and feed my heart and soul.
If I had a little pond, I would name it Wonder.
Wonder would show me beauty above the water and under.
If I had a little boat, I would name it Treasure.
Treasure would make me glow inside more than I could measure.
If I had a little bicycle, I would name it Wings.
Wings would take me everywhere to see so many things.
If I had a little table, I would name it Sweet.
Sweet would be a place to share delicious things to eat.
If I had a little chair, I would name it Strong.
Strong would hold me when I needed rest until friends came along.
If I had a little dog, I would name her Good.
Good would show me loyalty no matter where we stood.
If I had a little cat, I would name him Curious.
Curious would make me laugh and never make me furious.
If I had a little brother, I would name him Sky.
Sky would be air I breathe. Together we would fly.
If I had a little sister, I would name her Song.
Song would be my lullaby as we walked along.
If I had a little book, I would name it Friend.
Friend would go wherever I went. Our story would never end.
If I had a little bed, I would name it Nest.
Nest would hold my thoughts and dreams so they would let me rest.
If I had a little dream, I would name it You.
You would make life magical where wishes do come true.
The end.